Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class today we will learn 11.2. So here is first example. So as we know that here is a right angle triangle. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we are just finding the base of this right angle triangle. Let's suppose if you have a wall, again you are just trying to find the ladder diagonal. So how you will find this? So it's easy for you. And how much base does he cover? So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we easily find the base or diagonals or perpendicular, any one of these things. So here we don't have x, that is called base. So what we will say, a is the base and here is a perpendicular, so the last one is diagonal. So we have diagonal, perpendicular, but we don't have base. So 1.6 we will send another side, so it will be 1.85 square minus 1.6 square. So when we find the answer, we will get this. Why they write 2 dp? 2 dp is 2 decimal point, means after point we are just putting two numbers. As it is same, we are solving here question number 1. Here is our question. The size of television screen is its longest diagonal. So the diagram show the length and the breadth of the television. Find the distance AB, means we just find the distance from A to B, means we have two length and width. So but we will find the diagonal from A to B. So it's so easy. As it is same, we are using the Pythagoras theorem here. So we find for diagonal, so AB square equal to 21.6 square and 48.6 square. So with the help of this, we are just finding easily. At the end, we will get our answer, that is 53.18. The same thing we are doing in question number 2. As it is same, we don't have diagonals. So with the help of this material, we will find easily diagonals. Now question number 3. Sarah stands at the cover of the rectangular field. Its field measure is 180 meter by 210 meter. How far should Sarah need to walk to reach the opposite corner of the diagonal? Means they just give us the two sides. So if she want to go to the opposite side of the corner, so how much distance, how much does she need to walk to reach the opposite corner of the straight line? So it's the same like this, means opposite corner is like this. If she's standing in the A position and she want to go to the position B. So with the help of diagonal, we are easily find. Here is our question. As it is same, we are doing here in both the cases. Here when I remove the square, here is under root 1/2 is 10 for under root here. So I will get my answer 277. So these exercises almost as it is same. So but we just solved question number 6 as well. Why? Because here we have two coordinates. How with the help of two coordinates we find this? So let's suppose first thing we will find y coordinate. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then x coordinate 5 minus 3, that is 2. So after that, these 2 points we have, one is called base and other is called perpendicular. So I will show you here. Here are the answers of question 4 and question 5. Okay, now here question number 6. We are just finding the two. Here is y coordinate, means from top to bottom, that is perpendicular, and from left to right, that is called base. So we have base and perpendicular. With the help of this, we are easily find the diagonal. So same as it is, you have solved the remaining questions. Okay, and it's so easy for all of you. Thank you so much.